I decided to make chicken biryani. I am getting ready for Republic Day. Republic Day vibes everywhere.
I love it.
One businessman from India invited
Today
me.
is a very special day for me. It's 26th January.
My family is also ready for today. Everyone is in a happy mood. I am getting ready for Republic Day. Just simple and comfortable. I am wearing Tricolour today. It makes me feel proud and happy. Republic Day reminds us of freedom and unity. I wanted to share this day with you in my own simple way. Happy Republic Day to everyone. I asked my family what to cook today and I decided to make chicken biryani. Today is special day, so food should also be special. Cooking for family makes me very happy. Biryani is ready. It smells amazing. We are having biryani together on terrace. How is the biryani?
It's delicious.
Very tasty.
I love it.
How is the biryani?
It's delicious.
Very tasty.
I love it.
Republic Day vibes everywhere. Tomorrow something very special is happening. One businessman from India invited me. Wow. I can't tell everything now, but don't miss my next vlog. My area looks so beautiful today. I am learning English through my daily life, slowly and confidently. My English is simple, but my feelings are real. I feel so beautiful today. I am learning English slowly through my daily life. Happy Republic Day once again. Like, share and subscribe. Follow Safina's English Diaries.